Hello everyone, this is Brittany and I'm coming to you to show you my joining method that I use all the time. So I just made up a simple single crochet swatch right here, and as you can see I kind of ran out of yarn. So now I'm picking up my other piece of yarn that I'm going to join, and what I'm going to do is just start off with a simple single crochet and keep this string over here on this side of the hook. Grab the new yarn, pull it through, and then with these two ends right here, I'm gonna kind of put them together over top of the working yarn, you see? And then I'm going to finish the single crochet. So it kind of locked these two yarns into place with each other. And what I'm going to do next is just keep single crocheting, but single crochet around these two yarn ends. So I'm just going to keep going for the rest of this row doing that. And as you can see, it's going underneath and you can't really see it. Now when the yarn ends end, if you will, it'll just be kind of like that, sticking out, poking out. And sometimes I like to bring this one through. You see? So it'll be right there if it's too long, or you can leave it at the end if you like, but this just makes it a little bit more secure. So now we're at the end of the row. I'm going to single crochet one, chain stitch and now this one is already coming out, so I'm just going to trim that one. And with this other one that's still hanging out, I'm going to single crochet again and just keep that one under as well. So single crochet, and then we're going to single crochet around that end piece. And at the end, we just hook it back through the last single crochet. So that should make it pretty secure. So I'm just going to keep going with the rest of the row. And we're just going to trim off this little last piece. So that should make it pretty secure in there. I've never had a problem with it coming out before. And as you can see, it looks extremely seamless. I know my lighting is kind of weird, but seamless. Okay, so that is how I do all my joins. And I hope that it works for you as well. Thank you.